Good morning, everyone. We are pleased to welcome all the members of the media and the press to the Adjective Order Crisis 2025 press conference, where complete chaos has taken over English adjective rules.
Mr. President, are you telling us that the phrase "a red, big, beautiful car" is correct?
We're exhausted. Every time we memorize adjective order, we mess it up in the very next sentence. I wrote the phrase, a metal small old box, and my teacher said it's wrong. How? The box is small, old, and little. What's the problem? Everyone, calm down. This is just a misunderstanding. Adjectives are not the problem. You are the problem. Adjective order is a rule, not a suggestion. Adjectives have a universal, internationally agreed upon order. Okay, ma'am, we just want to understand how we can organize the adjectives. Fine, listen carefully. Adjective order always goes like this. Opinion. Size. Age. Shape. Color. Origin. Material. Purpose. The noun. Since the situation is so serious, please take a look at the official demonstration that explains the adjective order. A beautiful, big, old, round, red Italian wooden dining table. Nice, small, new, square, black Chinese metal frying pan. Oh, now it makes sense. Our whole lives were wrong. Okay, what about a small black German car? Amazing! There we go. The crisis is solved. This concludes the adjective order conference, and please do not commit grave grammatical mistakes again. We've got the idea, so no mistakes anymore.